Okay, team. Today we're going to talk about print audit on how to set up the customer in the print audit portal and also how to download the software and set it up to where it is running. So for starters, what you're going to do is go to fm.printaudit.com. Each of you should have your own login. So go ahead and log in. So here is the portal. So for starters, what you need to do is go over to administration, then select customers. Once you get here, you want to input the customer's name. We would like to keep this name the same way it is represented in SAP. So just for testing here, you're going to create a new customer. The customer name will be just ABC Company. You have parent. Parent is very important. So that's going to be your parent company on where you're, what office you're working out of. So for me, I'm working out of Nashville, so I'm going to hit change here. And I'm going to select the magnifying glass beside MCC Memphis Communications, and I'm going to go down to the bottom of the list and select MCC Nashville. Currency is $. Time zone is Central Time for us here in Nashville. All the rest of the information right here you can go ahead and skip. When you enter the contact information, you're going to go ahead and type in your name and your email. The information down here at the bottom is kind of irrelevant, so you can ignore that. But since we did the autofill, we'll leave it there. And we're going to hit save. What that does is create the customer, and it should send you an email with the information, with the activation code, and also step-by-step instructions on how to install. So since we're here in the fmprintaudit.com portal already, we're going to go ahead and select ABC Company. So we're going to select primary site. And once we're in primary site, we'll go over here to information collection engine. Here I have my activation code, which I can copy. And then right up above that, I have the link to download the software. So I'm going to click this link to download the software. As you can see, it downloaded down here in the bottom left-hand corner. I'm going to go ahead and get that open. And then you will see a wizard pop up just like this. And then you're going to go step by step, hit next, next. Go ahead and install the software. And then hit finished. Your next step that you're going to do is go down here to your Windows icon, and you're going to look for ICE Administrator. Most likely it should be the very first one on your list, so go ahead and click ICE Administrator. You're going to hit yes. Now it is asking for our activation code. Our activation code is right here, as you can see. So go ahead and copy and paste that code right here. Hit activate. Read over your license agreement. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and then hit agree. We are successful. So next up, you should have a screen that pops up just like this. It says Print Audit IDM ICE Administrator. So as of right now, the software is installed on the computer, but it is not currently running. So it's not going to run again until the next it will not run again for 24 hours. So as of right now, since it has not run, we're going to go ahead and stop it. So stop the ICE services, stop the updater services. I'm going to click start for both, and then go up to the top and select tools and scan now. What that's going to do is initiate the initial first scan for us and go out and scan the network. So at this point right now, you are totally done with this section right here, so you can go ahead and close that out. So give it just a moment, let it scan. Once that is done, you're going to come over to devices and licensing, and you're going to select find. Alright, so as you can see, as we click find, it did find all of my devices that are currently on the network. So, as we talked about this morning, you only want to select devices that are MCC to be managed. So managed devices, you have managed type. You only want managed type to be managed when it is an MCC device. If it's not an MCC device, put it on unmanaged. And then for your tracking level, you always select Platinum. Platinum is the top tier, and we always want to, Platinum basically goes out and finds everything. So you want to always select Platinum. So for your tracking level, like I said, Platinum. And then for your managed type, managed for MCC devices and unmanaged for outside devices. So right now, since these are all in-house devices, we're going to go ahead and select them as all managed. I'm going to go ahead and update. Here, just basically verifying what we've selected. And we're going to go ahead and proceed and finished. So as of right now, we are set up with ICE. ICE is going now and collecting all the information that we need for whether it's meter reads or supply levels. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you.